Yeah, so this is just a quick tutorial on Maya 2015 on making a simple chair. I am using Maya 2015, but the process is exactly the same on Maya 2016 and previous versions. So you just go into File, Set Project, and just name this chair. I think we'll have to create a folder first actually. Yep. So just create a folder, name this chair, and then set. Okay, so if you click spacebar, you'll get these 4 different views. So the front, shown there, the top and the side. Sorry, the top is the top left one, and then the perspective view. Now I'm going to be using cube polygons. So if you just click on that and then just a simple click into the middle, which will just create a cube for you. Now, as it is a chair, I don't want to make it that big, so I'm just going to click and change the sizes of the cube. Now it's up to you what sizes you want to make it, how big or how small you want to make it. And if you press F, you can zoom into the selected object, and then you can just use the scroller on your mouse to just scroll in and out. I'm just going to put this up a bit. Now if you right click, you get that option, and I'm just going to select vertices and select the top 2 vertices and then just extend it to the top. It's a little big, so I'm just going to make it a little smaller. Now you can see where this is going, because this will be the back of the chair. If you click on select face and then just select the top face and then go on to mesh tools, it's edit mesh and then face extrude, and just push this up a bit. Okay. Now we want another section in between them, so we will create a new edge loop. And to do this, all we're going to do is, well, firstly actually, select the top 2 vertices and just move this to the side, creating a little slanted object, and then we'll just create an edge loop, insert edge loop, and then just to the middle. Now this creates new vertices. So if you select these 2 vertices and then select and just push them in a bit. Fantastic. I'll just you can push it up and down, it'll just change. Okay, let's go into the main view just to see if everything looks okay. Yeah, that looks fine. Now what we're going to do is we just go on to create another one of these. So if we just click object mode, select the object, just go on to a different view, Control D just to duplicate it and just push it to the side a little. Now this creates the other side of the back of the chair, and if you just press Control D again and just push it a bit forward in front of the duplicated one we just created, and then I want to select faces, so select the top 2 faces and delete them, because this is going to be the front of the chair and we don't need, obviously don't need that. Now just go on to vertex, and then if you select one and then press F, you'll zoom into it. Sorry. Now what we want to do is select all the top 4 edges, and then if you go on to mesh tools, append to polygon tool. Now what this will do is it will create a face given from the edges that we have selected. So it's just a quick, easy way to do things. Now what I want to do is I want to create another one of these on the other side. So I'm just going to go on to select the object first, obviously, go into a different view, and then Control D, go into this view, Control D, and then just push this to the left, parallel to the one created there. Fantastic, that's fine. Now the overall shape is coming along fine. So what we want to do now, yeah, that looks fine. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, what we want to do now is we want to create another cube for the chair itself. We don't want it there because it's just gone to the back. We'll just push it in the middle. So cube, then just create one. Just move this up. Obviously put it in the position we need to. Okay, we're just going to size this up, so select the vertexes that we want. So them two, I'm just going to push it to the side there. I'm just going to push this, that looks fine actually. Just push the bottom two up. And actually put these two a little up. We want the chair obviously to be parallel to the other two, so we're just going to size that up. Fantastic, that looks fine. Yeah. Okay, it's looking more like a chair now. Oops. Okay, now just gonna go into object mode, select it, and then duplicate it because we want another section of the chair on top of it. So we're just gonna push this just a little on top of it. Looks fine. Just gonna go into a different view. Now what we want to do is select the top vertexes. Zoom in. Oops. And that looks a bit off, so I'm just gonna push this down a bit to the left. Okay, back to this. Just select the top two vertexes, the top four actually, and then just size it down. That looks okay. Now what this is going to do is just going to create an odd shape, a more chair-like shape. Now what we're going to do is insert another edge loop into that, just so the shape comes out more. And then we're going to select them vertexes we just created. And just, no, we don't want to do that, we want to make it bigger as a whole, so all will pop out. Now that looks okay, so go back to object mode. Yep, that's looking fine. Yep. I'll just push this, just duplicate that one we just created, the bottom chair, and then just size it down and place it upwards. So this is going to be the rest at the back of the chair. So what you basically lean on. Now these are just simple moves, so just rotating, moving, and sizing of the object. That looks fine to me. We're just going to, if you press F, you can zoom in, and that looks okay. We'll just go into normal view and just look at this. Yeah, that looks okay. Now what we want to do is duplicate that and just create another one for the top part. Now if you click on that snazzy button I just pressed, you get to see a better view which doesn't show the mesh, the model mesh. Oh, we don't want that. Just click the blue line, that's it, and just size it in a bit. That looks fine. So yeah, I'm just going to move this a little down and I think you get the gist of it. That was just a simple chair. Now you could obviously add more to it, like I don't know, just more support at the bottom of the chair or anything like that. But I'll just show you around the chair. This is basically the chair. Yeah, it's a simple tutorial. So thank you for watching, and bye.